Whenever you share your landing page on social, you can control some of the details like title, description, and even a social sharing image. When building your landing page, make sure you're on the page settings in the right-hand menu. In case you click on something like an image or a row, just follow the breadcrumbs back to the main page menu. Then click Settings and Social Sharing. Now here's where we'll give our page a title and a quick description. And we can even add an image. We'll save this, publish our page, and grab the URL. And now when we share this on social, we can just add that link. And we'll have our title, description, and social sharing image right there. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.